Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily turn off and on the tap controls. At first we have to find the control panel, which is here. Now we have to uncover this, where we do have the batteries, and here now I will zoom it in for you so you can see it very clearly. Here, as you can see, we have tap control, which is turned off now. To turn it on, we can move this switch, which is here, to the on. I'm not really able to move this with my fingernails because I do have them too short, but we have here knife. I don't really recommend doing this with knife because you can scratch and damage it, but for the video purpose only, I will do this with a knife. As you can see, we can move it to the on. Now we have tap control set to on, and now we have set it to off. On, oh no, on, off. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.